Hey, this is DJ at DREC Construction Services, and we're here at our project in Covina. This is a one-bedroom garage conversion ADU. We've been in the project for about 3.5 weeks, and let me show you around. Okay, it's not let me show you around. So, this is the living room. It's coming along pretty good, and we are in the pre-wire rough electrical, rough plumbing stage. We also are doing, see if I can get you out there, a master bathroom addition. Lots and lots of underground plumbing here. Hopefully, when we have our inspection today, we can get this thing all closed up. We have inspection this morning. I'm just waiting on my foreman to show up and get this project moving forward. I'll give you an update in a week and let you know how everything's going. Again, DREC Construction Services, www.dreccs.com. Thank you. Bye, guys.